Today we're going to make broccoli beef, my version, super simple. We're going to use 3 heads of broccoli, and I use the stem. I clean the outside of the stem, peel the outside, and actually cut up the inside of the stem into small pieces, and it's very tasty, and it gives the dish a better texture. The rest of the broccoli was cut into small bite-sized pieces. I am using beef cut up into about 1-inch squares, and I have dried it a little bit so that way we can brown it a little easier. We're going to use 1 large red bell pepper, 1 medium-sized green bell pepper, 1 medium-sized onion, and everything is cut in bite-sized pieces. And then we're going to flavor all of this with 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, about 2 cloves of garlic, about 1.5 inch square of ginger root chopped into tiny little pieces, and about 4 tablespoons of sesame seeds, and a little bit of olive oil, and that's all you need. This is a really good, delicious dish. So let's make it. Okay, so we have heated up about 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and now we're going to drop our meat into that oil. We're going to let it brown just a little bit. As you can see, our meat is starting to brown, so we're going to add the onions. Now the bell peppers. Now our garlic, ginger, sesame seeds, and mix all of it really well. Our vegetables and our meat are cooking nicely together. Now we're going to add our vinegar and our soy sauce. And now we are ready for our broccoli. We want to coat our broccoli with all those delicious juices from the meat, the vegetables, and the soy sauce. And now we're going to cover it up. And our broccoli is perfectly juicy, delicious, very tender. So we are ready to enjoy with a little bit of rice.